Hello friends, welcome to this course of oil painting and this is of chapter number 1 and this is about the masking tape. Let me show you what are these masking tapes. These are these kind of tapes, and before you actually start doing painting or even planning, make sure that you have the generous availability of these masking tapes. Actually these are special tapes. These are made of water based adhesive which does not leave any residue on your canvas, and also these are made of paper. So these are very handy, and I will tell you why you should use them and how to use them. All right, now most of you are very creative, and you can use your creativity to create oil paintings. Oil paintings are long lasting and they are sort of permanent. All right, so I have prepared my canvas here, as you can see, and I've also applied the masking tape to create the border. So you can see that it helps me create the border. All right, and this is a masking tape which I explained to you. Use them generously. Now, because oil painting require a lot of oil, and sometimes you want to use the oil paint directly on the canvas, and you don't want to basically make it diluted using different compounds. So in that case, the usage of oil may be very high, and you can actually create a fantastic oil painting by actually using the masking tape and divide the painting in certain area. Because in oil painting you don't use pencil, you actually use straight brush strokes on the canvas. Because if you use pencil, it will actually appear after the painting is finished. So you don't want to use painting. Instead of that, you can use these masking tapes. These are made of water, and these are made of special glue which does not leave any residue. So therefore this is important, and that is why this section of the course is dedicated on how to apply the masking tape and how to use the masking tape, and also why you should use them. I've explained all of this. Now let me explain how you can apply a section to that. I've already explained that you can use this to create different borders, very sharp borders. As you can see here, I have used this to create a sharp border. So once the painting is finished, I will not be bothered about some color stroke going beyond certain point. I will just peel off this masking tape, and it will give me a very clean border, straight line on all sides of the painting. So hopefully you have understood how to use masking tape and why you should use that. All right friends, so in the next chapter we will discuss about applying the gesso, which is basically preparing your canvas for starting your painting work. All right, so catch you in the next chapter, which is about gesso application on your canvas.